Want to play Minecraft Java Edition on Windows without paying for an account? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install SKLauncher safely, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official SKLauncher website. Type SKauncher.place in the address bar. Make sure the website ends with .pl, because this is the official site and helps you avoid fake or unsafe downloads. Once the website loads, click on Download, then choose Windows. Download the installer file and wait for it to finish. After the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows shows a security warning, click More Info, then choose Run Anyway. Follow the setup instructions and install SKLauncher normally. When the installation finishes, open SKLauncher. You can log in using an offline username, or sign in with a Microsoft account if you own Minecraft. Next, select the Minecraft version you want to play and click Play. The launcher will automatically download the required game files. If the launcher does not open or crashes, make sure Java is installed on your system and that your antivirus is not blocking the launcher. That's it, you have successfully installed SKLauncher on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on installing mods, shaders, or fixing errors.